how to transfer money from Philippines to Qatar. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on Send Money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines currency. You can type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Qatar, as you can see, Qatar. So if you don't find it, select Euro. And as you can see, you can type here how much you transfer. For example, 100, as you can see. And now this is how much your recipient will receive. Now after that, tap on Pay With, and now select the payment method. Now as you can see, the only payment method that available is bank account. Now as you can see, tap on Add Recipient. So in this case, I can't find the recipient currency. So in this case, you can transfer that money to their Wise account. You can type the username of that Wise account, and now after that, provide their information, and now you can send that money from your Wise account to their Wise account. So after recipient to receive that money on their Wise account, they will transfer it to their bank account. And this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Qatar. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.